This is Insight Industries, connecting Africa to the world.
India hosts one of the world's most influential gatherings for digital and security-driven world. Welcome to the FITAG Expo. The FITAG Expo brings together technology providers, innovators, and businesses showcasing solutions that power today's digital and security-driven world. Exhibitors at FITAG are focused on delivering reliable and future-ready IT solutions for businesses and institutions. With increasing demand for security and real-time monitoring, these technologies play a critical role across industries, from offices and factories to public spaces.
Hi, I'm Somesh Shah from Sarv Labs, and together we are ensuring that your data stays with you, not with big tech companies like Google and Microsoft. So we created this private server which has up to 20 TB of storage, 20,000 GB, and it has 5,000 Mbps of LAN. So this acts as a central hub of storage, so you don't have to use Google or Microsoft. So all of your data stays here, and together we provide some security solutions as well. So we provide one-click destruction systems. Whenever you press this button, all the sensitive data is destroyed. I can show you a demo. So this is our panic mode. So we have various triggers. You can press a physical button, you can water a plant. Let's say we water a plant. So what happens is all the data from the main server is destroyed. And there is a backup server which is in your premise only. It can be in another country as well, and it is also shut down. And whenever you press restore, all the data which was destroyed will be sent back from backup server to main server. This is one of our contingency systems. We also have a private phone which does not have any Google apps or any tracking. So when you enter 1234, which is a normal password, the phone will open like any normal phone. But whenever you enter the destroy password, all the sensitive data will be destroyed. We also have some decoy hubs. This is a USB hub, but it has inbuilt NVMe SSD up to 4000 GB, and it also has Windows. So if you want to do any sensitive work, you just plug this into laptop and you start this Windows. So no data will be in the laptop, no trace will be in the laptop, it will be in this SSD enclosure only. And it also has a dual password system. For example, let's say you are under stress and you want to open fake files, you just enter a fake password. We have fake files now, but whenever you feel safe, you can enter the real password, and all the real files, secret files, will be displayed. Now forensically also it is not possible to tell that there is a hidden volume like this. Now why do we do this? To ensure data sovereignty. We must ensure Atmanirbharta, independence of data, for security and sovereignty. Thank you.
The conversations here reflect a shared focus on innovation, efficiency, and smarter digital infrastructure. FITAG provides a platform for businesses to explore technology solutions, connect with suppliers, and understand emerging trends in the IT and security space.
RMM solution designed for the end device monitoring and management. This is specially designed for those sectors where the requirement to monitor the end device, to track the end device, and when come to the situation where really impacting the end device for the performance lacking, the unusual use of the end device through the unofficial activities. So this solution overcome all these challenges. So here you can see that the dashboard of this particular solution, where in a front end it represents the total devices, where you can see the total inventory, the licenses available, the issued license. On top of that, the total number of laptops, desktops, online, offline counters, how many devices are in a desktop, how many are the laptops. Hereby, you can see that the devices are categorized by the vendor, whether it's the Asus, whether it's the Lenovo, by the processor. So the interesting thing here, if you know that you have a 10 laptops and which laptop has a which processor, so in a case, let's say Platinum laptop, in a future that's the end of cycle, you can easily track which laptop has the older generation CPUs. So you can easily target that laptop and replace it and overcome the lack of the performance and improve the productivity in the organization. Similar way, the RAM, the type of the RAM, DDR3, DDR4. Now coming into the inventory part, where the actual end device would be diagnosed and the monitored. Now one of this red and green symbol indicates whether the end device is really online or offline. So the indication of this light is representing that the name of the user, the particular make and model, and this particular section is the information which will be used, which has to be filled up by the end user when the agent is installing in the laptop. Just a simply employee name, ID, and then rest of the entire device, access status, hardware storage, everything will be captured from the backend. So now let's start the beauty of this product. Just jumping on the hardware part, here you can see the make and model, total number of available CPU threads, make and model of the CPU, the graphic processor which is installed in that, the storage, total size is available, total number of disks are available, and the memory. Now coming into the storage part, here in the depth you can see that how much percentage of the disk is utilized. There are the 3 disks, each disk has a, let's say the C partition, what is the make and model of that particular disk, and how much percentage is utilized and how many percentage is free on that particular section. Now coming to the OS security, when in an organization when we run the laptop, of course the attacks are the key part which easily enter in the network. Now coming to the resource monitoring, in a real time you can see that what percentage of the CPU and memory utilization is going on. It's a demo setup, so here statistics are not that, but in a real time what you are seeing in your task manager, you can real time watch here. If any of the laptop is attacked by the DDoS, so you can under the network tab you can see that how much percentage of the network traffic flood is generating by this particular laptop. By services you can see that which services are real time running in the end system. If any malware is installed and it's running by here, you can see that. The event is something like the very interesting. Laptops are getting blue screen and power up, and easily you are just going in the format. So to avoid all these things, proactively the laptop monitoring and analysis will give the real-time information which alerts are triggering before it goes to the dead. So this is the event section and this is a remote section, desktop. By here you can see that what the end device, what the end person is doing the real-time activity on the laptop. So these are the key features. On top of that, the inventory tracking is that where you can keep a record of the inventory, by where you can categorize the poor, fair and good, the status of that.
So Rootle AI introducing to you guys. This is a voice AI automation solely focused on sales support and recruitment calling. We did automate this call. It can be a one-stop solution for customer support. Rootle introduced a one-time solution. It answers 24/7. It can do receive inbound calls or it can do outbound calls, and it's a one-stop solution, buddy. We do automation, lead qualification, appointment management, and those are all solutions which need a human interaction before. Now we do it through an AI agent.
As technology continues to evolve, platforms like the FitAg Expo help bridge innovation with real-world application. Thank you for watching, and for more insights like this, kindly subscribe to our channel. This is Insight Industries.